Hey, what's up, YouTube? So today we're doing a little bit of fixing. So I messed up my little drone, this here DJi Mini SE, and nothing too hectic, but I damaged one wing, which then, well, obviously broke off. So that's what we need to just fix in this video. I was going through the other wings, and they all some, like if you look at this one here, you will see it's also, maybe it's coming soon to tear up, but I'll fix this as soon as it does tear off. See some scratches over there, so this one broke off when I was taking videos of a place which was not really having nice landing points, and so I was having cached landings most of the time. So this one ended up saying bye-bye. So that's what we're fixing. Luckily, the kit that I bought came with extra wings over here, and it came with a screw so that we can actually do the replacement. So this is a screw that came with the kit, the fly more combo they call it, and we've got some propellers, not wings, propellers. So we will take one because it has two inside the packet, because obviously each section has two propellers, but I'll just use the one because only the one broke. So let's get down with it, guys. Let's see how far we can get it. And there's also a screw here, so I'll just reuse that screw because there's also screws in here that come with this, but there's actually 3 screws in there, but I'll just use the one. And well, just like that, the drone is fixed. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So let's start it up. Let's see if it will hover within place without too much problemos. So get the battery in there. So if you want to know what this kit actually came out with, all the stuff, I did do a video of an unboxing of this little drone over here, so you can check that out. So for me, guys, I'm just gonna quickly connect it up, and then let's start it, let it hover a bit, see if it's running good, then we're good to go.
Take off. Landing. Take off. If a report has been updated, please check it on the map.
All right, guys, so seems like we're good to go. Drone seems to be flying okay as normal, so time to get to work again. So that's that for this one, guys. Just a quick fix. So hope you're doing good, hope you're doing well, and going for those goals of yours. As for me, guys, I'll see you on the next one.